Namaste बिटिया हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. A very good morning to you all. Myself, JV'n Dr. Ravi Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Practice of Medicine at Faculty of Homeopathic Science in JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH-FHS University, Jaipur. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about government portfolio in respect to Practice of Medicine subject of Faculty of Homeopathic Science. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about portfolio in general, and from today onwards, we are going to start with the government portfolio. What is government portfolio? Government portfolio is one of the activities for inculcating the skills and enhanced knowledge that is required in competitive exams for jobs in government sector, public sector, undertakings, PSUs, or higher education. The students who have interest for jobs in government departments or organization and in higher education, they can register themselves under this portfolio. Objectives of government portfolio: acquaint the students with various government job opportunities and competitive exams related to their discipline. Prepare the students for competitive and analytical exams by giving practice questions. To provide students exposure for making them familiar to the work culture and functioning at government organizations. For mentoring about various tips and tricks to crack competitive exams. To guide the students about application process, exam pattern, schedules of exams, etc. related to the competitive exams. Guidance about choosing the appropriate study material for the preparation of exams. List of activities that are conducted in government portfolio. The students are trained to solve the sample papers of competitive exams required in government jobs and higher education or the mock test. There is a soft skill exercise, applying and appearing for the government examination. The students are taught how to apply and appear for the government exams. Continuous assessment for competitive exams of their respective field will be done together with the curriculum. Now, what are the various job opportunities after BHMS in the government sector? So there are several opportunities that are available for the Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery graduates in public sector. There are entrance exams that are conducted by the central as well as state government for selecting those candidates. The minimum qualification is limited to BHMS by UPSC. Government of the state and central government jobs offer high salary package to the BHMS graduates. The homeopathic physicians treat the patients by identifying the cause of illness and remove it from the root. The awareness about this option is increasing amongst the general public. It increases the demand of homeopathic doctors and homeopathic clinics than in the past and offers more opportunities to the BHMS graduates. The salary package offered to BHMS degree holders depends upon the skill and experience. Now, the job opportunities that are available includes homeopathic medical officer, researchers in various fields, doctors, pharmacists, teachers, public health specialist, consultant at various levels, private practitioner along with a government job. The job opportunities available includes the government conducts certain tests for selecting all the medical officers, doctors for the concerned department. The exam is highly competitive and makes many candidates apply for the test. So as a lot of students are or a lot of candidates are applying for the job, how to prepare for the exams? The government conducts certain tests for selecting all these medical officers, doctors, etc. for the concerned department. The exam is highly competitive and makes many candidates apply for the test. The candidates have to prepare well for attending the exams. They should have a deep idea or the knowledge about the topics they have learned at the BHMS classes. The student has to identify in which part they are weak and give more time for those topics. Previous year's exam pattern and study materials are available in the internet and on our portal 2.0 at jvw.in. The candidates can use all these available resources for the preparation of the exams. A systematic planning of learning helps the candidates to get into the government services. Now, what is the syllabus that is to be covered in practice of medicine? In third year, the candidate has to learn about the anatomy and physiology of the respective system, as stated below. The candidate must learn about respiratory diseases, a sound knowledge of the diseases of digestive system and peritoneum, the diseases concerning to the liver, gallbladder and the pancreas, the knowledge about various genetic factors correlating diseases with the concept of chronic miasm, the immunological factors in the diseases with concept of susceptibility, including HIV and hepatitis B, the disorders due to chemical and physical agents and to climate, the environmental factors, the knowledge of clinical examination of respective systems, and water and electrolyte balance, the disorders of. From the final year, the student must know about the diseases of CNS and PNS, psychiatric diseases, diseases of the locomotor system, that is connective tissue, bones and joint disorders, diseases of the skin and sexually transmitted diseases, various kind of tropical diseases and pediatric diseases. Also, the knowledge of geriatric diseases is a must. The candidate must have the knowledge of the applied anatomy and physiology of different organs and systems relating to specific diseases. The knowledge of the clinical examination of respective systems is a must. Now, how to prepare for the competitive exam? Now you know about what are the job opportunities, how to apply, what is the syllabus, especially from the point of view of practice of medicine. Now, how to prepare yourself for the competitive exams for getting selection in the government sector or the government jobs. First of all, we have to understand the syllabus. Then, prepare an effective daily study schedule. Fix a weekly target and try to achieve them. Be positive and confident. Refer to standard study material. Take proper rest and sleep. Revise, revise, and revise. This is the most important thing in learning or cracking the competitive examination, especially the government examination. So I will again repeat how to prepare for the competitive exam. First of all, you have to understand the syllabus. You have to prepare an effective daily schedule, study schedule. Fix a weekly target and try to achieve them. Be positive and confident. Refer to the standard study material. Take proper rest and sleep. And revise, revise, and revise. In the next, this was all about the government portfolio, especially in relation to the practice of medicine. In the next lecture, we are going to start with the sample questions. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box and I'll try to resolve it. So this was all for today. Thank you very much. We will be meeting in the next lecture tomorrow. Thank you.